Welcome to all. I am Assistant Professor Kute Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Today's topic is properties of carbon nanotubes and types of carbon nanotubes. First, carbon nanotubes, properties and applications. What are carbon nanotubes? Carbon nanotubes are allotrope of carbon with a cylindrical nanostructure. Carbon nanotubes are best described as a seamless cylindrical hollow fibers comprised of a single sheet of pure graphite having a diameter of 0.7 to 50 nanometers with lengths generally in the ranges of 10 to 100 of microns. Carbon nanotubes are made up of rolling up of sheet of graphite into a cylinder. The carbon nanotubes can be considered as the cylinders made up of graphite sheet. A carbon nanotube can be imagined by the form of folding of graphite sheet. If rolling of graphite sheet imagine, then the same lattice strain is due to curvature is expected in the carbon hexagons. Next, types of carbon nanotubes. Two types of carbon nanotubes, single wall nanotubes and multi-wall nanotubes. First, single wall nanotubes. A single wall carbon nanotube may be thought of as a single atomic layer, thick sheet of graphene rolled into a seamless cylinder. Most single wall nanotubes have a diameter of close to 3 nanometer with a tube length that can be many 10 times longer. These are zigzag armature and helical carbon nanotubes. Helical CNT is chiral tube. The helical carbon nanotubes has a unit cell dimensions in x and y directions different and it is a twisted looking structure. Hence it does not show similar mirror image structure. The cross section of the helical carbon nanotubes shows cis and trans kinds of carbon arrangements. Multi-wall nanotubes. Multi-wall nanotubes consist of multiple roll layers of graphite. Multi-wall nanotubes can have OD diameter 20 nanometer and length diameter 3 nanometer. Length can be 10 times longer. Next, properties of carbon nanotubes. First, mechanical and physical properties of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are the strongest and stiffest materials. It discovered in terms of tensile strength and elastic modulus respectively. This strength results from the covalent sp2 bonds formed between the individual carbon atoms which are stronger than 3D diamond. Young modulus. Lurie and Wenger experiment using Bark model and reports Young's modulus of 2.8 to 3.6 pascals for single wall carbon nanotube and 1.7 to 2.4 pascals for multi-wall carbon nanotube. Its ranges obtained from 320 to 1470 gigapascal for single wall carbon nanotube. The simply supported beam model was used to model the deflections of individual multi-wall carbon nanotube and Young's modulus of multi-wall carbon nanotubes. Properties of carbon nanotubes: mechanical and physical, electrical and electronics properties, thermal properties. Strengths of carbon nanotubes. Tensile load testing was performed by Lurie on single wall carbon nanotube bundles and tensile strength values ranging from 13 to 52 gigapascal and maximum tensile strength obtained was 5.3% were reported. It also conducted tensile testing of multi-wall carbon nanotubes. It was found that only the outermost layer breaks during the loading processes. The tensile strength corresponding to this layer of carbon nanotubes ranges from 11 to 63 gigapascal. 63 gigapascal. Stress versus strain curves. These are the curves: stress versus strain. First is strain for single wall carbon nanotubes, and second is multi wall carbon nanotubes. Electrical and electronics properties. Behaviors according to structure. Chiral vectors. The nanotube is metallic is a multiple of 3. Then the nanotube is a semiconducting with very small band gap. Otherwise the nanotube is a moderate semiconductor. Semiconducting and doping, piezoresistance, photoconductivity and carbon nanotubes. Next, thermal properties. The thermal properties of carbon nanotubes are directly related to their unique structure and small size. Specific heat and thermal conductivity. These are the graphs of specific heat and thermal conductivity. Next, application of carbon nanotubes. Electronic application of carbon nanotubes in mechanical field, carbon nanotubes in medicine, and other application of carbon nanotubes. First, electronic application of carbon nanotubes. In electronic application, conductive and composites, it is used as electron emitters and it is used as nanoprobes. It is used as a sensors. In sensors, biomedical industry, automotive industry, food industry, environmental monitoring, FED displays, templates, etc. Carbon nanotubes in mechanical field. High technology carbon nanotubes based actuator. High technology applications including humanoid robots, artificial and damaged hearts, artificial limbs, medical prosthetic devices, etc. Carbon nanotubes based composites, polymer matrix composite and ceramic matrix composites. Carbon nanotubes in medical. Carbon nanotubes in drug delivery and cancer therapy. Carbon nanotubes as a biosensors. Carbon nanotubes network biostress sensors. Glucose detection biosensors. DNA detection biosensors. Other applications of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes as a thermal material. Carbon nanotubes air and water filtration, hydrogen storage and energy storage. Thank you.